Welcome to the Cognitive Accessibility Automation demo. We are demonstrating the automated accessibility violation correction on this testing website. The dynamic accessibility plugin scans the loaded front page and identified 8 accessibility violations. These violations include missing title for the web content and the absence of HTML alt text for image display in the web page. The web page content language information is also missing. We can easily fix some of the violations automatically by clicking the Cognitive Accessibility Overlay Chrome extension. After applying the fixes, the web page content is identified as English, and that piece of information is added to the HTML content. An alt text is also generated based on the image content using image captioning techniques empowered by the deep neural networks. A title is also added to the header of the document using text summarization method in the backend server. We ran the dynamic accessibility plugin again to check the accessibility violations, and the number of violations reduces from 8 to 4. Now let's look at a different web page. Use the dynamic accessibility plugin, we get 15 violations. Among those violations, there are 4 form field violations where labels are missing for form control. There are other violations as well, for example, the missing web page title and language information. By applying the Cognitive Accessibility Overlay, we can automatically fix some of the violations, such as adding label to the form control, attaching web page title, and language information. The Dynamic Accessibility plugin shows us 7 violations has been fixed automatically. The Cognitive Accessibility Overlay makes web page more accessible and can greatly benefit people with disabilities. With the development of AI techniques, we are envision a lot more correction can be accomplished without the interference of developers and end users.